In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily see who blocked you on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning. As you can see, now I'm on Instagram and that is my main Instagram profile. To demonstrate you how do you know if someone blocked you on Instagram, I'm gonna switch to my another Instagram profile and then I'm gonna block my main profile. To do that, we need to search for my main profile. Here it is. And then to block it, I'm gonna tap at three dots here, tap at block, and then block. My main profile is already blocked. This button says unblock, which means that I have definitely blocked my main profile from my secondary profile. Then, if we head over back to my main profile, how do we know if a particular user blocked us on Instagram? The first and the easiest way to do so, if you had a conversation with that user, you need just to go to that conversation, just open it up. As you can see, I got a conversation with that user, and if we tap at view profile, we'll be taken to their profile page, and once we got there, we can see that it shows us their profile page as completely empty, without any posts here and without any data about number of posts, followers and followings. If the page of some user looks like that, it definitely means that they blocked you. However, there is another way how we can check if someone blocked us on Instagram. This way is to use search. Tap right here at that search icon to head over to search, and then you just need to enter the exact name of a user whom you would like to check if they block you. To do that, I'm just gonna enter 12.facts. That is the username of my secondary Instagram profile. And then if I hit add search, and then if I select accounts, it won't show me that user here in the search results. And if you cannot find user via search by searching for their username, it also definitely means that this particular user blocked you on Instagram. There are two ways how you can easily see who blocked you on Instagram, and now I'm gonna show you what will change if I unblock my main profile, how it will look like then. To do that, I'm gonna head over, I'm gonna search for my main profile, and then I'm gonna tap at unblock and then follow. Now, if we head over back to my main profile, and if we head over to a conversation with that user, and if we tap at view profile, we can see all the information about that profile, including the description, posts, and all that data. And also, if we search for that user via search, we can easily find it now. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.